So, in our relationship and discussion related to ASEAN, trilateral highway is part of our look east policy and improving our relationship with Southeast Asian countries and especially the mainland Indo-China region. So, this discussion is a small topic on trilateral highway. So, this is a project between India, Myanmar and Thailand. That is a trilateral. So, this is to have a highway connecting from India to Thailand, through Myanmar, so that then once you reach Thailand, Thailand has good connectivity. Then from there it is very easy to have movement, the road connectivity through entire Southeast Asia. We can reach Hong Kong also and we can reach Singapore also. So, that is the idea is to have a proper connectivity from India to Thailand, because the missing link is in Myanmar. Myanmar's infrastructure is very poor. They don't have roads. So, we have to construct something so that we can link from India to Thailand. That is the idea behind the whole thing. So, the project is to have link from Moreh in Manipur to a place called Mae Sot in Thailand. So, this is the project, and the total length of this project is 1360 kilometers, 1360 kilometers long. And the project, the idea was there right from 2002. The first discussion was there in April 2002. April 2002. And if you look at the map, we can see that. So, from Moreh, please see, and from Moreh it goes to Tamu, then to Mandalay. Mandalay is a major city of Myanmar, and this Nay Pyi Taw. Nay Pyi Taw is the capital of Myanmar. It is passing through that. Then it goes to Yangon. You can see Yangon. Then from there it will be going to the border of Thailand. Border of the Thailand, there is a place called Myawaddy. From Myawaddy, it will travel to Mae Sot. So, the link, you please see, from Moreh to Tamu to Mandalay, then to Nay Pyi Taw, the capital, then Yangon, then Mae Sot. So, this is the project, 1360 kilometers long. So, in another, one very simple one, Moreh, then Tamu, that is the border with Myanmar. Then, Mandalay, Mae Sot, Nay Pyi Taw, Yangon, Myawaddy, and then to Mae Sot. So, that is the, the road connectivity which we are talking. 1360 kilometers highway, and Myanmar, we know it's very important to, if you want to have look east policy and if you have improved relationship with Southeast Asia, the connectivity is very important, and infrastructure is the biggest bottleneck, especially from northeast to Myanmar, and that is what we are trying to bridge through this project. So, this project was initiated. The idea came in 2002 and the project was initiated, and we wanted to complete the project by 2015. The original aim was to complete the project in 2015. As usual, this is a very difficult terrain, nothing has happened. Now, the new target is around 2022. We don't know whether we will be able to complete during that time also. Recently, Thailand has taken the responsibility of upgrading a total of 192 kilometers and under the and another 100 kilometers in the first phase and another 100 kilometers. So that part is getting constructed. But from India to this Moreh to Mandale, so that is the biggest challenge. See, Moreh to Mandale, that is where the maximum problems are there, and we need to have at least 69 bridges, approach roads. So a lot of infrastructural developments are required, or rather a lot of physical infrastructure is required, then only things can move forward in this project. And the biggest thing is, see, now as we mentioned about what are the advantages. Advantages are same. First of all, it will help in the development of the northeastern states, infrastructure development, economic development. There will be a real benefit in terms of our improved relationship with the Southeast Asian countries, with ASEAN. The relationship will improve. It will help in countering China. Improved road connectivity will help in increased trade. It will help in tourism. And most importantly, in the northeastern states, any development is welcome, because that will help in providing employment to the youth. Unemployment is a big problem in northeastern states. It will help in employment, it will reduce insurgency, it will reduce drug trafficking, it will reduce drug abuse. So tremendous, and it is strategically very important for us. Development of Northeast is very important for India's progress. So this trilateral highway can be a big step in improving the infrastructure, in providing jobs to the people, increasing the economy, having economic development in the region. But unfortunately, other than the name Act East policy, Prime Minister Modi has said, but the actions are missing, unfortunately. We are giving excuses. This should have been, see, with the target as 2015, forget about that. See, then Act East policy started, now it's 2020. No progress whatsoever, or rather there are progress, but the progress is very slow, and people are losing patience, and this cannot continue like this forever. So there has to be some action. These roads, this trilateral highway should be operational, and it can definitely do a world of good for the northeastern states and the economic development of the whole region. And we cannot, India should not delay this project. India should go out of the way to implement the project, so that the development of Northeast and the people and can happen properly. So trilateral highway yet to be implemented. Project is on, discussions, or rather construction is on, but slow progress. We are not able to complete the project. That is a tragedy right now. 1,360 kilometer long, right from Moreh to Mysore in Thailand.